Hey, hands!
Show us your hands! Show us your hands!
Officers responded to a reported weapons call at a business in West Aurora on the 18th of September, 2025. Police say the 911 caller reported being armed and made threats toward others and responding officers.
I'm actually in here with a 9mm pistol. I'm about to shoot the place up, and I think the cops need to come here right away.
Okay, sir, can I have you exit the building?
No, I'm going to stay in here.
Oh, okay. Is there a reason why you want to do this?
Honestly, I'm waiting for the cops to show up so I can just shoot at them.
The following is based on official law enforcement records. Until now, a portion of the footage has never been seen.
Yeah, walking towards Alameda from the Conoco.
Okay, we're watching somebody who's sitting outside the Conoco. He vaguely matches the description and just keeps putting his hand in his pocket.
You see if I can get clerk to verify that, sir?
Yeah, clerk says he's sitting outside
From, yeah, he's IA company and he's from the south side of the building.
Here, we're seeing the police officer gathering a 40mm less lethal police weapon. It consists of a 40mm less lethal launcher, often called a 40mm launcher. It is often used for crowd control or dispersing or incapacitating a person without intent to kill.
Hold on. Where do you want to go? Car or building? Okay. Car that just pulled up. We're using this brick building is covered right here.
He's right here. I'm going to do announcements. Let me know when you're ready,
Hold on,
okay?
hold on. We don't have a good spot here. Mine. No, Denkins.
I have eyes.
Okay.
You don't approach the north instead, do the
Yeah. Yeah. We're going to go around to the north. George, are you good there if we go around here? Hey, let's go this way. If George is good there. George, we're going to approach north to south on the west side of the building.
Ready? Are you guys with me?
Hold on.
The officers appear to be strategizing about the best way to approach the suspect. Every emergency situation must be dealt with the utmost precaution. The slightest mistake could be unforgiving.
We're on the northwest corner.
Ready? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, rifle, I'll do commands on you. Yep.
Hey, hands!
Show us your hands! Show us your hands! Now! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Shots fired. Let's put these down.
got hands. Give me hands. I got hands.
Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
Just do not.
More sad and aggressive.
Got you. I got you. Someone go get a med kit. Someone grab a med kit. Okay.
What do you need?
Hold this. Here, you're with me. You're with me. Cool. Let me grab my 40. Nope, just here, over here. Let's okay, go. Hey Bob, I put the 40 in the back of the car. Hip. Okay. Hip. Stay right here. Right here. We're good. Just get crime scene tape. Hey, crime scene tape.
I don't have tape. John, I don't have tape. I got it.
Go. Are you okay if I get Ferris to take me to headquarters?
I'll stay with you, okay?
Okay.
I'll take you to headquarters and move you, okay?
I know. Can I go with him? No offense.
No, that's fine.
Okay. Oh, he's got to go anyway. So do you. We all got to go to headquarters. We got to be separated though.
Oh, yeah.
Police officers are seen performing CPR maneuvers, trying to save the suspect's life. EMS team is on its way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Later in the evening, the suspect would be pronounced dead at the hospital. Incident on Record documents real-world police encounters using publicly released records. To see more documented cases and help uncover public records, visit Incident on Record weekly.